Hey everyone, so guess what? A couple weeks ago, roughly a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, I got my new mag release for the Sig 365 AXG Legion, and I had it installed. I just didn't feel like dealing with it myself. I probably could have put it in myself, but a friend of mine who runs a gun shop, or he knows me very well, he did it for me at no cost, and I was going there to shoot anyway with another gun. But yep, it's all put back together. I'd like to say it's better than it was before. Better, stronger, faster. That's a old man thing.
Better, stronger, faster.
$6 Million Man. If you know it, great. If not, go look it up. Best TV show in the 70s. Anyway, I'd like to be able to say that, but I don't know if I can because, again, it is a plastic mag release, and although I was told by the Sig rep that it should not split up again or break off again, I have no reason to believe that it won't. But we're going to see what happens. I also want to give a shout out to some of the viewers out there who had the same thing happen to them. I want to give a shout out to Zane Clifton, Accord 50. They both said that they had the same issue. I think one of them said they had another issue. Someone said they had an issue with the trigger too. Now, if that happens, I might have to say goodbye to this gun. If I have to replace this gun, right, what would I go with? Someone asked me this in the comments as well. I think I would recommend, well, I would say I recommend this gun, but make sure you have the budget to upgrade the magazine release. But again, if someone's having a problem with the trigger, you're going to have to upgrade the trigger too. So just budget for that. So you're going to spend $1,300 on the gun, and I'm assuming another $300 to $400 for those upgrades. I'm just guessing. Okay. Outside of that, if I don't want to spend that extra money, I think I would probably go with the. Where would I go? I'm hearing good things about the Sig Fuse, and it's about $500 less than this gun. Really good in my hand. It's about the same size as this gun, I believe. Has a polymer frame, so then you shouldn't have that issue with the mag release. If not, the Sig Fuse, I'm thinking, at least back in the day, about 7 years ago, when the original 365 came out, and then after that, it seemed like the gun that came out that kind of mimicked the 365 was the Springfield Hellcat. So I might check out the Springfield Hellcat. Is it the Prodigy or the Pro? I should know this, but I can't remember. It's one of those two. It looks pretty much the same size as this, but I think I'm pretty sure it has a polymer frame as well, not an alloy frame like this. So I would probably go with one of those two guns. Unless, and I should know this too, unless CZ or Canik make a gun comparable to this in terms of the size and the weight. Because those are the only other two guns, in my opinion, that have the best triggers. Okay, that's just my opinion. I own a CZ, what is that? It's a P10, I believe. And I own the Canik PT9, and I love those triggers. Okay, so I want to stay with Sig, but I tell you, if that trigger breaks, I might be done. Also, I want to give a shout out to Jim Chin 2619. He recommended that I might want to check out the Moscus. I've got it written here in my horrible handwriting. Moscus Precision X Macro mag release. I might check that out, see how much that costs, and maybe I'll go with that. I'll look into it, but bottom line, she's back together again. I want to take her out this Thursday and get some training in, and I'm going to run, 300 rounds. Not 300. Maybe 200, 250 rounds. Maybe 300. Who knows? Maybe I'll be out there for 3 hours. I could probably work through 300 rounds. So, and we'll see what happens, okay? And I will keep you posted. I'll keep you updated. Again, thank you to all of the commenters who commiserated with me, and to those of you who went through this as well. I will never take you for granted again like I did Doodle. I forget this person's name. but I'll never take you for granted again. Matter of fact, when one of you guys said that you had your trigger break, you said something like, okay, wait for your trigger to break now. And I was about to say, nah, my trigger will never break. And I was like, oh, pump my brakes. Because I said the same thing when someone posted up about the magazine release disintegrating. So, nope, I'm going to listen to you guys. If any of you guys have an issue with this gun, or if I have an issue with this gun, let's share it, please. Please share that information. Okay, guys, take care. I'll see you on the next video.